When the rain falls hard and the winds do wail, I know my faith won't fail. In the darkest night, when hope seems gone, I hear a whisper of dawn. Through the crashing waves and the lightning's glare, I feel your presence there. When the thunder roars and the skies turn gray, I know you'll make a way. Through the storm I stand with you beside me. In your arms I'll face eternity. No fear, no doubt, just a love divine. Through the storm I stand, your light will shine. When the world closes in and shadows creep, in your embrace I'll find peace and sleep. Your grace, my strength, my guiding star. Through the storm I know who you are. When the trials come and life's not fair, I find my solace in prayer. You're the race, my strength, my guiding star. Through the storm I know who you are. When the trials come and life's not fair, I find my solace in prayer.